All right, we're back. Video number 3. I have not stopped this time. We have 5 minutes to source this product. We have found it together. We have improved it together to this, which is black with a crappy logo that I whipped up and originally looked like YouTube. We want this, we've got our photo designed, ready to put it in here. Once it's ready, we now just need to source it. So how do you do that? You come over, you click one request, multiple quotes on Alibaba. You come down here, where's the button? Yes, 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 just let us do it. Urgent request, 10 times faster, that's great. What do we want? We want a ball joint. Was it socket? No, ball joint. Press. Where are we? This one. Ball joint press. Cool, easy. The category looks fine. Okay, we have $3,000 budget, and we have divided by $25. We have 120 we can buy. We want some of that to go towards our marketing, so let's buy 90 of them. So we want 90 pieces. We want to save this here. Ball, socket, RFQ. Easy. Boom, boom. Did I say that's JPEG? I think I did. Let's have a look. Ball, socket, RFQ, PSD. Nope. All right. All right. JPEG. Saved. Yes. Save. Boom. There it is. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm not explaining. I'm just running out of time now. Hey, we are looking to buy thousands of these tools over the next 12 months and would love to start with a sample order of 90 units. Please let me know if you can customize one of these sets to be black and have our red logo on the outside of the set. Please let me know your best price as soon as possible, as we are excited to get started. Cool. And if you're in the masterclass or if you're in Amazon Secrets, you have templates to send these suppliers. If you're not in that yet, take the training below in the description and get into that, because that'll give you everything you need to source your products, find your products. Can't really get into that at the moment, but click the link in the description basically. Kind regards, Benj, and then what is it? Garage Tech. It's the brand name. Urgent requests, extra quotes. I do both. You don't need to do either. You still get quotes otherwise. Submit RFQ. Very, very easy. The other thing I want to come back and show you real quick. Cool. We've got excellent already. Otherwise, you can add more information in here, but we don't need to. Very, very easy. Submit that RFQ. And then what we need to do is you need to copy that. So this will go out there and that'll be listed, and all these suppliers who sell this should get notified based on the keywords that you've got in here, and they will be able to offer their services and give you the best quotes, and then you can choose the best one. What we do otherwise is we come back here and we type in ball joint press, and we go through each of these people individually. Contact supplier. Everyone who's got a listing you want to contact, because not everyone are going to see the RFQ. Ball joint. Okay, so here it is. Oh, no, that's PSD. Where's the JPEG? Ball, socket, socket. Ball, socket. Here we go. We got 44 seconds. So upload that, send that. Enter your email address, send that. Go back, click on the next one, send that. Contact 30 people. Let's find the best supplier for us. One who speaks really good English, one who can actually make the product that we want, one who is quick, one who is trustworthy. Make sure they have trade assurance, make sure they have feedback, and they've processed a lot of transactions, and you'll be totally fine on that. That's how you source this product. You get this quote back, you pay them money, they have a manufacturing time, and they'll create that for you. They'll send that into the Amazon warehouse for you, and then you're all ready to start. And we're running out of time here, but I consider it sourced. I'm not going to actually submit those RFQs, but feel free to copy and paste all that in. The timer just went off. All that in and actually get those RFQs and actually launch this product, because this could be a very, very good, profitable product if someone wanted to go out there and launch it. when you create the image, that is what's going to be important. Look at what other people are doing. Go through here. This guy's doing well. Go through and look at what's in his description. Run him through the, again, get the training below is a thing. I could keep talking here for hours and hours, but we've put this into training, and we hold training sessions every single day. So make sure you click the link in the description to get to watch one of those sessions with me and Evan, where we go in depth and teach you this exact stuff. I guess that is where I'll leave it, because I could keep talking, but I'll put this in other videos. It's in the training below. That's how I would create a brand in 30 days. I think I could actually get this brand with this logo, as long as I'm allowed to use this image, which is not mine. I could get this selling really, really well. I think I could get that up to $10,000 a month within about, because I have to do sea shipping, so that'd be 30 days. Manufacturing time should be pretty straightforward. It's just the logo on the outside. It'd probably be another 15 days. I bet you I could get that to $10,000 a month within about 60 days. And it's very, very easy and cheap to do with $3,000 a month. So, sorry, with $3,000 starting budget to $10,000 a month. So take the training below. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Maybe I'll do a challenge where I have it 2 hours or something, and I'll space that out a little bit more and actually source it with you, but very, very quickly and rushed. Just show you, even if you do it rushed and very quickly, that it can be profitable on Amazon. So, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like this video if you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.